Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Tikki shoes is probably one of the most sought-after footwear options for parents looking for comfort, durability, and style for their little ones, offering a blend of practical features and adorable designs that make them a go-to choice for everyday wear and special occasions alike. These shoes are meticulously crafted to support developing feet, ensuring that every step your child takes is cushioned and secure, while the variety of colors and patterns available means there's a perfect pair to match any outfit or personality. From playground adventures to family gatherings, Tikki shoes are designed to keep up with active kids without compromising on aesthetics or foot health, making them a standout in the children's footwear market. Number 5. TIKI Citronella Torch Fuel, 1 gallon. Enjoy the warm glow of your outdoor torches with our premium citronella and lemongrass-infused fuel. It's designed to burn brightly, enhancing your outdoor ambience. Refilling your torches is now a breeze thanks to the convenient easy pour bottle. Get a quick, spill-free fill every time. Create a welcoming atmosphere for any outdoor occasion. This fuel is perfect for illuminating your patio, garden, or backyard gatherings. For over 60 years, TIKI brand has been a leader in outdoor lighting. We offer stylish and high-quality solutions to elevate your outdoor experience. This 1-gallon bottle provides ample fuel, enough to fill up to 10 12-ounce canisters. For the best performance, pair it with our wide-mouth torch fuel canisters. What we like? This fuel offers a pleasant scent and a mess-free refill experience. If you are looking for a convenient way to keep your torches burning brightly for extended periods, this is the perfect choice for your patio or garden. What people say. Fuel itself burns for a nice long time, and doesn't give off any unpleasant smell in my opinion. It's very effective at keeping mosquitoes away, so I can actually sit outside and enjoy myself without getting bitten every other second. This torch fuel burns cleanly and evenly in my outdoor torches. The citronella scent is noticeable without being overwhelming. Number 4. TIKI Torch Replacement Canister Set of 4. Easily refresh your outdoor space by replacing old canisters with these refillable 12-ounce metal torch canisters. They are designed for fewer spills and less mess, ensuring a cleaner and more enjoyable experience. These durable metal replacement canisters fit most torches and offer up to 5 hours of burn time per fill. Each one includes a long-lasting fiberglass wick for consistent flames. Create a warm, inviting atmosphere in your backyard, patio, garden, or deck with these weather-resistant torch fuel canisters. They are perfect for any outdoor gathering or relaxing evening. This brand continues to lead in outdoor lighting accessories, offering a variety of products to enhance your outdoor experience. We have been illuminating backyards for decades with a wide range of products. Elevate your outdoor space with our trusted outdoor lighting accessories. What we like? These replacement canisters are designed for a cleaner, less messy refill process. If you need to refresh your existing torches and want a durable, long-lasting solution with a consistent flame, these are ideal for your outdoor gatherings. What people say. Wide mouth is easier to fill, while the can is the same size to fit standard torches. The large mouth makes it so easy to fill the can with TIKI. Canisters are user-friendly, easy to fill, and works with all fuel TIKI torches. Number 3. Hey Dude Women's Wendy Chambray Loafers. Introducing the Wendy Chambray Loafer, designed for your everyday adventures. Experience unparalleled comfort and a lightweight feel with every step. Crafted with a stylish chambray upper, these shoes offer a relaxed yet fashionable look. They are perfect for any casual occasion. You'll barely feel them on your feet. Their incredibly lightweight construction makes them ideal for all-day wear. Featuring a classic lace-up design, you can easily adjust them for a perfect, secure fit. They combine practicality with modern style. These comfortable loafers are a must-have addition to your shoe collection. Step into effortless style and comfort today. What we like? These offer exceptional comfort and a casual, stylish look. If you prioritize lightweight footwear for everyday wear and appreciate a relaxed, slip-on design, these are a fantastic option for your daily adventures. What people say. Very comfortable and fit my wide size 8.5 foot perfectly. They're lightweight, easy to slide on, and easy to spot clean. The comfort level of the Hey Dude Women's Wendy Chambray is unparalleled. It feels like walking on clouds. The shoes provide a perfect blend of support and softness, making every step a pleasure. They're so lightweight and comfortable, honestly, it feels like walking on clouds. I love that I can slip them on and off without even untying anything, which makes them perfect for busy days or traveling. Number 2. Skechers Women's Bobs Plush-Peace and Love Flats. Discover ultimate comfort and style with these new flats. Perfect for everyday wear, they combine fashion with a relaxed feel. Experience the plush cushioning that makes every step a delight. Designed for all-day wear, they offer unparalleled comfort without sacrificing style. Show off your unique style with the charming peace and love motif. These flats add a touch of personality to any outfit. From casual outings to relaxed days at home, these flats are your go-to choice. They effortlessly complement any look. Enjoy the convenience of a simple slip-on design. Putting them on and taking them off is quick and easy, perfect for your busy lifestyle. Crafted with Skechers' renowned attention to detail, these flats are built to last. Enjoy durable quality and lasting comfort. What we like. These provide cushioned comfort with a fun, positive message. If you're seeking easy-to-wear flats that offer all-day support and a touch of playful style, these are perfect for your casual outings. What people say. Wide fit is definitely actually wide fit, which keeps me repurchase this item. I wear a pair of no-show socks with these and my feet still do not get hot throughout the day despite being on them all day, so they have great ventilation. The bottoms and soles memory foam seem to be very durable. They are made out of a canvas fabric and have rubber sole. They slide on easily and comfortably because of the stretchy goring wedge at the top of the shoe. The footbed is made out of memory foam and they have a shock-absorbing low-profile midsole, which is great for those who find themselves on their feet longer. In addition, they have an arch pillow that provides exceptional support. Number 1. The Tinderbox. Discover the ultimate companion for your outdoor escapades. It's designed to spark your journey, wherever you go. Never be left in the dark again. This tool provides a dependable way to start a fire, ensuring warmth and light. Take it anywhere with ease. Its compact design makes it the perfect addition to your camping gear or emergency kit. Crafted with durability in mind, it's ready to withstand the elements. You can count on it for years to come. Elevate your outdoor experience with this must-have item. It brings convenience and reliability to your adventures. What we like. This is a compact and portable option for on-the-go use. If you need a discreet and convenient way to enjoy your favorite scents wherever you are, this is an excellent choice for personal use. What people say. Fabulous illustrations and an excellent rendition of this classic story. The illustrations are captivating and the storytelling wonderful. My grandchildren received this book through a membership with Stuart Brent's Children's Book Club in Chicago. I read it with them and all were thoroughly engaged in the story. A discussion followed about the dogs. Were they really bad or just made to be bad? My granddaughter was most interested in the dog's role. Providing great literature for children is vital. I thought the illustrations extraordinary as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.